Please come and say hello to us, and you can read the proclamation, and we'll take our picture.
This is a proclamation, Liberty County Board of Commissioners, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week began in 2012, and whereas this celebration of a living legacy of Gullah Geechee history, heritage, and culture came about due to the work of St. Helena Island native Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And whereas Queen Quet and Kwame Sa founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in 2005, which is a culmination event of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And whereas Liberty County annually joins with all other counties and cities of the Gullah Geechee Nation in these celebrations. And whereas to show support, we're asking citizens and visitors to take part in the activities associated with these events, which are part of the global activities for the United Nations International Decade of People of African Descent. And whereas the theme for this year's celebration is Fay We and Sistas, and whereas Liberty County acknowledges the natives of the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville throughout the Sea Islands and Low Country, and support the honoring of their ancestors that built this region and the continuation of this rich cultural heritage. And therefore I, Donald L. Lovett, Chairman, do hereby proclaim July 29th through August 6, 2017 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Liberty County.
You can't stand up, it's okay.
There you go.
All right. Make sure you got it. Nice one. All right.
Thank you, Council. Congratulations, youth. Enjoy your summer work. Thank you, Council. Chairman Lovett, you chant to leave it since last year. I ain't been know that, been honored that, been to read that just now. We gonna work on your Gullah though, before we ancestors.
Thank you.
So, we're so glad for day one more again in Liberty County. Always glad for day in Liberty County. This year county holds a special place in my heart since when we've been to do this year movie, years ago, a documentary and thing, and we've been to sing and shout. We've been right here in Liberty County to shoot them, and it be called This Far by Faith, the African American religious experience. So we're so glad that this year place, the holy ground, hallowed ground, there's still a hold upon we Gullah Geechee tradition and things like that. Because plenty of people not yet the word Gullah, plenty ain't not yet the word Geechee. And when they hear it, we to crack we teeth like this year, they struggle a little bit for understand what we to crack we teeth to say. So they're used to so many people talking this way. When they hear us, they struggle to understand it. But then it gives them a clue that we're unique and we have something blessed. And even the word Gullah means people blessed by God. So I appreciate the fact that in a county called Liberty, we have the liberty to express exactly who we are. And so we appreciate you here in Liberty County for continuing to be a part of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Like I said, we're going to help y'all with your Gullah a little bit there. That was cute, though. That was a good try. We enjoyed that. That tickled me a great deal. That was worth the drive. So definitely we appreciate you and thank this county for all the work you're doing, and especially being here this time with all the youth that were here is exciting, because I know that then you are passing on the traditions and the legacy of hard work in this community. And that is important, because so many people say things about our youth today that are negative, and it's wonderful to celebrate all the positive things they're doing. So I thank you, young man, even for being my photographer tonight, and helping us out. We really appreciate you. And so we're looking forward to when you're sitting up behind this desk and that seat. All right, I heard you were behind the other desk. We're looking for you to be up here. All right? And so, Mr. Lovett, you can get ready. You can retire soon. We got somebody coming in your place. But I thank you, sir. And I hope that you all will join us. I gave you invitations. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week's launch will be next Saturday, not this Saturday, July 29th, at historic Mosquito Beach in Charleston County, South Kakalaki, which is even further north than I live. But then we have our Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival where I live this year, St. Helena Island, right up the creek shore, a little bit of thing like that in it. So you can either take the highway or take a boat and come on over and join us the first weekend in August. We would love to have you there, have you shout a little while, and I'm sure when you get back down here and thing like that, you crack your teeth more like this year. All right? Y'all have a blessed day.